come out here to take some pictures of the birds. They flew off. They're out there. All right. I filled the bird feeders. This one right here, under it, there's a dead bird under it. There's some birds. Oh, Junior keeps falling back on his legs. Now I just wish there would be some birds at the bird bath. I'll try to get it. Sorry for that. I'm getting so sick of seeing that in the back. I have nobody to carry it off. The preacher had to put the crap right there. Sorry, I shouldn't say that. I apologize. How would you like to look at that for the past year? Come on, little bird. Come to the bird bath. I wish there was some birds around. There, but it's not. That one's still back there. Well, hope y'all enjoy. I'm gonna try to get that out of the darn video. I'm sick of seeing it there. It's the only bird I see. I guess it's just gonna sit there. My hand's gonna go numb, and I'm gonna drop my darn phone and selfie stick at the same time. I wish that little bird would come up here. If not, I hope y'all like this little video. Sorry. Yeah, put my hand on the arm. Well, it flew off. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.